The stock market is just like an auction. Every single day on the trading floor, buyers and sellers show up to compete and look for a deal. They're looking to buy low and sell high. The product, in this case, on eBay, you may flip iPhones, etc. On the stock market, your product is whatever company that you decide to trade. We trade SPY, the S&P 500, because it's the largest and most liquid. So another product could be Apple, another product could be Nvidia, and it could go down the line. That would be the product. And we're basically buying low, selling high, or vice versa. So the most important part is learning to understand who the players are, the big boys that move the market. The most important thing in trading for you is to identify the big boys when they make their move and look for clues that they leave. And once they make their move, right on their coattails, go in the direction of the trend that they're moving, because they have the money, the big money, and they're moving markets. Today, starting out, the market dropped and trapped all the shorts. The buyers came in, took over, completed the cup, and now we have a bullish structure. Price has been ranging and wedging and getting tighter and tighter in this yellow algorithm. So now there's no trade to take at the moment. Market is at equilibrium. The auction is balanced. Buyers and sellers are content. This is what we prepare for. In the Discord community, Eric is preparing us for the next moves. No bias. He's talking about don't anticipate and hope. You got to trade as structure demands. If there's no structure, there's no trade. Possible setups that he's putting out, diagramming with a commentary. It could be a bearish. We could stay in this wedge today. Here's the bullish setup that we're looking for. So it doesn't matter. We don't have a bias. We don't care which direction the market goes. Eric in the Discord community is drawing up the plays. There's only a few scenarios that are going to happen. And once either scenario happens, that's the direction that the big boy is moving. So it's very simple when you learn about the big boys and their intentions. We have a professional Wall Street market wizard as our teacher, as our mentor, that is giving us daily commentary. Don't sleep on this. The information in here is worth millions of dollars to you.